So after pre-booking Ola electric scooter, most of the customers are waiting for its deliveries. But when Ola will deliver this electric scooter, it might be the Ola S1 or the Ola S1 Pro. The company has promised to deliver the electric scooter. Whoever pre-booked this electric scooter, first in first out. For example, if they pre-booked this electric scooter in July month and made the payment, I think few of the customers may get the deliveries in October. But if you see, so far not even a single electric scooter has been delivered to the customers from Ola, and customers are waiting for, so when they will get their electric scooter. So as of our knowledge, looking at the circumstances happening now, Ola will deliver few units of electric scooter to its customer whoever pre-booked earlier. For example, the first 500 customers or first 1000 customers may have the chances of delivering the electric scooters in this month, whereas the remaining customers who are more than 5 lakhs of customers pre-booked this Ola electric scooter and made the payment, their electric scooter delivery date can be expected in the next few months, for example in November or December, and most of the customers can expect the delivery in 2022. That's about the Ola electric scooter delivery update. So, and don't expect you pre-book this electric scooter in September and October, you will get the delivery dates within next few months. It will not happen like that. They will go in a priority basis, first in first out. That's what they are looking for. And now coming to today's video, it's about the common questions for Ola electric scooter customers. It's about the battery warranty, it's about the performance upgrade, and also the load capacity of Ola electric scooter. Ola customer support answered to one of its customers, and we are going to share that information to all of our viewers. So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I'm Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. So one of our subscriber named Somesh shared this email thread to us, and he asked some of the questions to Ola customer support, and they replied. And these questions are very useful for people who pre-booked Ola S1 or Ola S1 Pro electric scooter. The first question: Ola did not disclose the battery cost, hence you cannot calculate the cost of ownership. How come you don't know the prices of the battery till now? Why aren't you disclosing the battery price even after you taking orders? So definitely people have a doubt, like what is the price of Ola electric scooter battery, because some people definitely plan for the battery pack cost also. After 3 years, if you want to change the battery, they should have a calculation. They need to save the money as well. Customer care replied to them, unfortunately we cannot share the retail price of battery after warranty to you right away. It will be shared to you before the expiration of warranty period, rest assured. So they are still unsure about the battery pricing, or they don't want to share the battery pack cost of Ola S1 and Ola S1 Pro electric scooter, but they're saying that we will provide 3 years of warranty and unlimited kilometers, but they are unsure about the battery pack cost. And the next question is about the range. They mentioned 121 kilometers of IDC range for Ola S1 electric scooter, and he asked that what speed they need to maintain to reach this particular range, whatever they offer, 121 kilometers of IDC range, and the customer care didn't answer for that particular question. And we already told that 121 kilometers is not a practical range, it's just a kind of ideal range. So you may get up to 95 kilometers of real range in Ola S1 electric scooter, and S1 Pro as well. We already mentioned 140 to 180 kilometers of range, but the customer support didn't answer this particular question. And the next question is about the data collection, because they are using a eSIM card in their electric scooter, whether they are going to sell this data for third parties. That's what the question is about. And they replied, your privacy is of utmost importance to us. We have taken every measure to ensure data security from your Ola scooter. However, there is no particular incognito mode to operate the scooter in. And the next question is about the helmet prices. Most of the viewers asked this particular question, why Ola is charging money for the helmet, and even that particular question they have replied. Some states have mandatorily mentioned this kind of helmet charges. They need to buy this helmet, but there are some exceptions. In these 3 states, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Rajasthan, are not charging any kind of money from the customers, and that's the reason they are charging 0 rupees in these 3 states for helmet. Whereas for other states it is mandatory to supply one helmet, and that is the reason customers will be charged 749 rupees for one helmet. And some other states are mandated for 2 helmets. For example, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Jharkhand and Madhya Pradesh. That is the reason customers will be charged 1299 rupees. And next question is about the spare parts. what is the spare parts cost, and also the service and labor charges and roadside assistance, and they haven't replied for this particular question. And the next question is about the payload weight of this electric scooter. It's about Ola S1 and Ola S1 Pro, and they have replied Ola S1 curb weight is 121 kilograms, whereas the load capacity is 150 kilograms, and Ola S1 Pro, the curb weight is 125 kilograms and the load capacity is 150 kilograms, and 150 kilograms for both the Ola S1 and Ola S1 Pro. And finally, most of the viewers asked this particular question: are there any subscription charges? And they mentioned there is no subscription charges. All features including eSIM are part of ex-showroom price. So these are some of the common questions most of the people who pre-booked this Ola S1 and Ola S1 Pro electric scooter. Hope you got the clarification now. And once again we are repeating, Ola Electric may deliver few units of electric scooter to their customers in the month of October, and most of the customers may get the electric scooter delivered by the November or December in next year as well. For genuine information about electric vehicles, please do subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel, and for fast updates, please do follow our Facebook page, website and Telegram group. Go green, go electric.